Hello, my name is Elena Shvab and I'm a head designer based in London. And today I will show you how to create your own bespoke headband. During this course, you will learn how to create and style your own bespoke headband, from shaping the base and adding structure with wire, use padding for volume, covering the headband with your choice of fabric, and creating beautiful decorations. After all, fashion is all about self-expression. By completing this course, you will have the skills to create a one-of-a-kind bespoke headband to wear your masterpiece with pride and let your personality shine through. So let's begin.